How to turn on or off driver availability in Bolt. Want to control when you receive ride request on Bolt? Here's how to easily turn your driver availability on or off in seconds. First, open your Bolt driver app and head to your home dashboard. You will see your current status at the top, either online or offline. To go online, simply tap that status once and you will start receiving ride requests immediately. When you are done driving for the day or taking a break, tap it again to switch to offline. If the toggle does not respond, make sure you have a stable internet connection and that your GPS is active. Bolt requires both to track your availability properly. Staying online only during peak hours can help you earn more while keeping your schedule flexible. What time of day do you usually prefer driving? Mornings or evening? Let us know about it in the comments below. And that's how you can turn on or off driver availability in Bolt. And if this video helped, hit the like button, share it, subscribe, and leave a comment. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.